Looking for secondary and basement suite plumbing and ADU construction services in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a reliable, code-compliant plumbing system for your new secondary suite or ADU. Whether you're adding a basement suite for rental income or building an accessory dwelling unit for family, our expert team ensures seamless plumbing installation, efficient water supply lines, and fully compliant drainage systems. Homeowners in St Albert trust us for precision, quality, and long-lasting solutions. Our licensed professionals handle everything from design and permitting to installation and inspections, ensuring your plumbing meets all local building codes. Need expert service? Kingstree Plumbing is here to help. Call today or book online to schedule your consultation.